Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kimmy Cat here. And today I'll show you my chicken burger. Crispy chicken burger. This is my recipe, you guys. I love chicken burger. I'm not a big fan of the beef burger, but I love chicken burger. So today I'll share with you guys my recipe for this burger. So to start off, we have chicken breast here. You can use chicken thighs, but I love the texture that a chicken breast have. So I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna cut this into two because we don't want our burger to be that thick. I don't like it when a chicken breast is too thick. It's just it's too meaty and then less flavor on the inside. So we're just gonna trim this ever so lightly. Get rid of the fats. So now, see, if we have it thin enough, you wouldn't need to flatten it later. This is 1 cup of flour. This is our wet batter. So 1 cup of flour. To that 1 cup of flour, we're gonna add 2 eggs. And remember, we need to make a thick consistency of pancake and milk. This is 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of flour. And to that, we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna whisk this. All right, so now that we have whisked our wet batter, the consistency should be more or less like that of a pancake batter. Very thick. And that's good. Now we're gonna start seasoning our flour, our breading mixture. So we have 2 cups of flour here, and we're gonna add garlic powder. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of MSG or chicken powder. You cannot make fast food without MSG or chicken or bouillon, you guys. You have to add chicken powder. To that, we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of paprika, and black pepper, about a teaspoon as well. And remember, you guys, if you want to add something like a seasoning that you like, you can always feel free to put it. It's your dish. I'm just showing you guys how I made mine. So you can always mix and match. And this is cayenne powder, cayenne pepper. Woo. The powder is starting to get in, black pepper is starting to get into my nose. Okay. So just mix this. Oh wait, I forgot salt. So to every 2 cups of flour, you'll always have to add at least 4 teaspoons of salt. 4 teaspoons of salt for every 2 cups of flour when it comes to breading, okay? So just mix this coating. All right, so now we're gonna do is we don't need to season the chicken because we're gonna dip it in the flour mixture first, which already has the salt and the MSG. So we're just gonna stick this right into the flour, the coating mixture. And gently tap off any excess flour. Put it in your wet batter. And try to multitask if you can, guys. And this will ensure that the second layer will stick onto your chicken. Not only that, but will also give a flavor that will stick onto your chicken before you dip it onto the wet batter. So we're just gonna coat this evenly with our wet batter. And we're gonna stick this right back into your coating mixture. And I only like to coat it once. I don't like to coat it more than once because it gets really thick. Like, it gets too thick that it starts to fall off the chicken. So let me... Okay, you guys, so now we're ready to fry our chicken at 170 degrees Celsius, or I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit, but I'll put it somewhere here later in the video. So I'll fry these for about 12 minutes. And I've also made some fries, my homemade fries. If you guys remember, I made a fish and chips recipe the other day or last week. So I'm gonna be using that with our chicken sandwich later. So I'll see you guys. So after about 12 minutes of frying, the chicken's ready, and we're gonna get this. We're gonna assemble our chicken burger. Okay, guys. So now it's time for us to assemble our chicken sandwich, burger, whatever. So here, for my sauce, I have about a tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and some sliced pickle. So for the pickles, you don't need to add pickles if you don't want to, but this is my recipe, and this is how I make it at home. This is how my family likes it, so we're gonna stick to that. So just get your favorite bun roll or your bun, and I love oat buns and raisin buns. I know it's weird, it's a weird combination, but trust me, it will work. So we're gonna spread some sauce onto our bun, and you can always toast your bun before you start adding your burger, assembling your burger, but I like it this way. So this is the chicken, you guys. Do you see how crispy that is? Just hear this crunch. Holy. So let's add our chicken. And to And there you have it, you guys. My crispy chicken burger made by Truly Yours with my fries, my homemade fries. And it's really, really crispy. You can add tomatoes to this, or if you want to keep it simple and impress your family and your loved ones, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Well, until next time, you guys.